Your girl is here to teach you how to put a word in the middle of a text. So let's get into it. So first things first, we are going to create a new text box. Easy peasy, open up your text box and select whatever font you want to choose. I'm just going to increase the size of this text because this is going to be the base. This is going to be the first word before I put the text in the middle of it. So now what I want to do is I want to create an outline of this word. So we're going to go up to type, scroll down and press create outlines. Is an object. It is no longer a text. You can no longer edit it with the text tool. It can only be edited with the selection tool. Now, we are going to create another text box. Now, this is going to be the smaller word in the middle of our text. So now that I have my word, I'm just going to adjust it to the size I want it to be when I place it in the middle of this text. I'm going to switch up the color. Now, what we are going to do is we're going to go over to the shape tool and we are going to press the rectangle tool. Now you can adjust it. It can be any shape based on the space you want your word to fill. But for today, I know I need a rectangle. So as I open up this shape, I'm just going to adjust it to the size that I want the space where the word is to be. So I'm just adjusting it, trying to find a good, space. You can play around with it and put the actual shape on top of the second word just so you can find the right space. Do whatever you want. Now that I have placed the shape and have it the way I want, I'm going to select both the creative and that shape. And I'm going to go over to the shape builder tool. So I'm now going to press the Alt key and just drag my mouse around this shape so I get the look and the spacing I want. So now that I've selected it, I could just press delete. So now that I have the space I want, I can have a little fun, get a little creative with it. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share. Let me know what you think down below, and I'll talk to you next time.